Everyone, this is Parveen Sahan from LCM. So today we are having extended course. Questioning round is there as regards IELTS. Let's see how they perform, and I'll really rectify whatever mistakes they commit. So first of all, you should talk about locality. Uh, in which locality do you reside?
Sir, I come from Sirsa and my locality, I must say that it has the people, like it contains secular people, and I must say that it has all the facilities that a person needed for their well development of their upcoming future, and it has all the requirement, it caters all the satisfaction of a particular individual.
Very good. So as you have seen, she has discussed many things, but she has not given single idea about this. Like whatever is required, she has not discussed what requirements are there, what requirements people are meeting here. Okay, so this is answer that will relate to 6 band max to max. If you want to have 8, 8.5 or 9 band, you should be adding some sort of facts there, like for business what facilities are there, as regards health what facilities are there, as regards education, okay, what can you enjoy here. You could talk about market also, you could talk about roads. Okay, so it happens many of the person they just go with these sort of answers, so that is not valid answer as per my consent. Okay, next question is there, which type of people live in your locality? Yes.
Sir, multi-secular people reside over there with different cultures, with different backgrounds. You must be, you must know, sir, that in my part of in my nation, there are four cultures. You must be acquainted with Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and Christians as well. And I must say that in my locality, every single you can find every person of different religions, and the best part is that you can learn a lot from them. Like, you can learn about culture, you can learn about their ancestors as well.
Very good. The girl is having potential of 7.5 band at least, but right now the answer she is giving that is of 6 or 6.5 band max to max, because she has exaggerated the same sort of answer. Same sentences were there, religion, multi-religion people, then you started talking about Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Okay, so Muslim they are Mohammedans. Okay, so she has not discussed about the variety of people. She has talked about culture and all. It's okay. You could have talked about the professions of them as well. So she has not mentioned it. Next query is, has your area witnessed any changes in recent years?
In recent years, I must say that my area had little changes, not a lot. So, in my part, I have witnessed that roads are constructed well. Like government are making efforts as they're constructing bridges as well. And along with that, if I talk about changes, not only infrastructure, there are changes in education as well. Like people are getting a well-developed education with
Very good. So now the answer is she has mentioned, but she is out of track on one thing. I'm talking about has your area witnessed. I'm asking whatever has happened, and she's talking whatever is going on. Okay, so in final exam they will definitely access or they will definitely assess your grammar as well. She is having right answer, but due to wrong grammar, I have asked her has plus third form, and she is replying in ismr plus ing. Okay, so these are the major facts student they lose in final exams. Okay, she is much terrified also because in front of the camera maximum time it happens students are not having that sort of exposure. So let's see, we are having another candidate. What's your nice name?
Simran.
Simran. This is Simran. Like I have mentioned, what's your nice name? And she's saying Simran. It is a problem in communication. You just become monosyllabic when you start replying in single word. So this is crime in communication. Okay, you should be having complete sentence, guys. The video I'm making just for you people, so that you should also learn. Recently we have got one student, Sobhagya Grover. He has got 9 out of 9 band in speaking IELTS. Okay, So earlier 8.5 band that also belongs to Halcyon, and 8 bands. Okay, the people were there. Okay, so just you need to enhance these sort of things. So next query is discuss about the transportation facilities in your locality.
Well, the transportation facilities are up to date in our locality. Public transportation is best facility provided. Public transportation is best facility provided in our locality, and there are day to night services provided by two-wheelers to the people of the locality to reach their destinations.
Okay, nice. So this answer is a nice answer. I would appreciate you. Are health facilities easily available in your locality?
Well, at the earlier times, there were some construction. There was some need of construction of some health department buildings in our locality. But in present scenario, there is a proper health department located in our locality, and there is proper clinic as well as medical stores, which can be used at when needed.
Okay, nice. So what is the age composition in your locality?
So can you elaborate?
Age composition, what sort of people means, what age group mean, children, middle aged, old age?
Well, our locality is situated in a heart of city, so it comprises the people of every age groups. You can witness the children's going to schools for the education. There are people belonging to several professions. Professional people as well as elder people are also can be seen in a locality
Very
doing
good.
their particular tasks.
As you have seen her, she could not understand the query. Age composition she could not recognize. Or it happens in the final exam also. They will repeat the question but they will never simplify the question. It happens with many of the persons. They may give you hint but when recording is going on in final exam, so they are helpless, they cannot help you. Okay, so age composition means you should understand. You cannot ask them, means you cannot understand what does it mean, because question is for you. You cannot make counter question from them. Okay, so it happens in final exam. This is another mistake of the students. Next is what are educational facilities in your locality?
Well, our locality comprises of education departments. There is a convent school located just near to our locality, where children are taught about academic subjects as well as moral values. So, the children of our society are well acquainted with educational sectors and educational knowledge.
Very good. She seems quite confident. 7.5 band approximately you can hit right now. You need to enhance some sort of basic responses. They are being missed by you. One more thing is there. There is no word existing in English. Children's. Okay. In second sentence you just rectified, but that is due to lack of practice. Sometimes it happens. Okay. So we are having another candidate, Payal.
Yes, sir.
So Payal, discuss something about your family.
Well, so if I talk about my family, basically reside from a nuclear family. Like I have my father, my mother, my brother, and I. We are the members of the family, and though we live in a nuclear home, but if I talk about my extended family, we have a large family. Whenever our whole, you know. Like whenever there is some gathering or some get-togethers, then the number increases, and basically, God, like our family, possess a lot of understanding, and uh, everyone is like adorable and
Very good. She knows English, but her problem is there. She is exaggerating the things. She is stretching the matter. Okay, she was behaving like this is the cue card. So within 3 sentences or max to max 4 sentences, you just need to end it up. Or this question was requiring, I think, a couple of sentences only. Okay, next question is what are your ideas about friends?
well, so friends are the integral part of our life. Like they are our stress busters. Sometimes they give us stress. Like yeah, they are the like precious gifts that God gives us.
Very good. So what is the role of friends here? What is the role of friends?
Well, so friends acts as a guiders, like they guide us, they mentor us at times, and whenever we need something, we can easily like get up to our friends, and they'll be ready to help us. So yeah.
Okay, so do you have the same friends as you used to have in your childhood?
Um, well, when I was a child, I was like at home. I had no friends in my locality, but I had school friends. So over time, when I changed the school, my friends also changed, and now as I'm in college, so my school friends are like there's no connection now. So yeah, definitely friends have changed from what I used to have in the childhood and what sort of friends I'm having today.
Very good. She also deserves 7.5 band. But the thing is, there sometimes she goes crisis of ideas. She loves to, due to lack of confidence sometimes. It may be camera, okay. So that was the show for you people, guys. Few mistakes students they just commit in final exams. So for the next session, subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.